Today, I want to share a story like that. A story about fear, curiosity, and a small adventure that teaches an important lesson. As we go through this story, I want you to repeat after me and practice your English. Imagine you are in my shoes, feeling every moment of suspense and joy. Are you ready? Let's start. It was a quiet Saturday morning. I woke up early, feeling happy. The sun was shining through my window. I had plans to meet my best friend Anna at the park. I was excited because we wanted to celebrate her birthday. I packed a small gift and some snacks. Everything seemed perfect. I left my house and walked to the bus stop. The streets were empty, and the air smelled fresh after the rain. Suddenly, I felt something strange. My necklace, a gift from my grandmother, was gone. My heart started to beat fast. I touched my neck again and again. It was not there. I felt scared and sad. I thought, where did it go? Did I lose it at home or outside? I decided to go back home quickly. I ran through the streets. The wind blew strongly, and the umbrella I carried almost fell. My mind was full of worry. When I reached home, I searched every corner, under the bed, in my bag, on the table. Nothing. I felt frustrated. I thought, maybe it's gone forever. Then I remembered the small garden near my house. I had been there yesterday watering the plants. Maybe I had lost it there. I grabbed my coat and ran outside. The sky was now cloudy, and I felt a little afraid because the garden was dark and quiet. My hands shook as I walked slowly. I wanted to call Anna, but I didn't want to worry her. As I entered the garden, I saw something shiny near the fountain. My heart jumped. I ran closer. It was the necklace. It had fallen into a small puddle. I picked it up carefully and cleaned it with my handkerchief. I felt relief and happiness. I laughed softly, saying, "Thank God, I found it." My fear was gone, replaced with joy. Just as I turned to leave, I noticed a small box near the fountain. It was old and dusty. I was curious. I opened it slowly. Inside, there were letters and photos. I read the first letter. It said, "This box belongs to whoever finds it. Use it to help someone." I looked around the empty garden and smiled. I felt a warm feeling inside. I thought, this is strange but wonderful. Someone wanted to do something good, even without asking for thanks. I decided to take the box home. On the way, I imagined sharing the letters and pictures with my friends. I felt happy thinking about the small surprises and kindness in the world. Later that day, I met Anna at the park. I showed her the necklace and told her about the mysterious box. She was curious and excited too. Together, we read some letters and looked at the photos. Some were about people helping others, and some were about small adventures. We laughed and talked for a long time. The sun began to set, painting the sky with orange and pink. I felt thankful for this strange and exciting day. I thought, life is full of surprises. Even problems, like losing my necklace, can lead to happiness and lessons. I realized that staying calm, being curious, and helping others. On the way home, I carried the box carefully. I felt proud and happy. I promised myself to keep the spirit of the box alive. The day had started like any other day, but it ended with suspense, adventure, and a lesson I would never forget. That night, as I went to bed, I smiled. I learned that problems are part of life, but courage, curiosity, and kindness can turn them into something amazing. I also felt that every small act of care and attention matters. Life is like a story, and each day gives a chance for new adventures.